So for 4-86, it says in problem 4-85, x is a variable that represents a number of units of length. The value of x determines the size of the perimeter and the area of the shape. And that makes sense because the more x's it is, the bigger it is. Also, if it's like 5 for the x, the size of the perimeter of the shape is going to be much larger than if x was equal to 1/2. Using the shapes from problem 4-85, it wants you to sketch and label, but I wrote on our notebook just to use the other ones because, man, that gets to be very time consuming. So then we're going to evaluate each expression for the given variable. That is, rewrite the expressions, replace the variable, and then simplify. So we're going to go through and we're going to do where we have x is equal to 6 for the shapes and x is equal to 1/2 for the shapes. So here we go. And this one is a little bit tricky, and what I found makes it the easiest is I'm going to use some different colors to kind of help keep us straight. So I'm going to continue to use my blue pen for right now, but what we're going to do is we're going to change it so that we have where x is equal to 6 first. In class, I did it differently, mainly because I was trying to do the harder problem and then have kids try with a 6. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to go from A to B and we're going to call it gravy. So right here for this one, I'm going to change for my area, I'm going to change this x squared into 6 squared. My x is going to become 6. This x right here is also going to become 6. And of course, my unit tiles do not change. So for my area is now equal to 6 squared plus 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. My area is equal to 6 squared. Oh, I'm almost off the page, off the board. 6 squared is equal to 6 times 6 plus, we've got these 2 6's right here, that's 12, plus 2 1's right here, that's another 2. My area is equal to, again, I'm just dealing with terms, term by term. So I have 6 times 6, which is 36, plus 12 plus 2, which is 14. So my area for 6 is 50 units squared, or 50 square units. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to deal with the perimeter. I'm just thinking. My perimeter. So I have where this guy here is now going to become 6. This guy right here is going to 6, 6, 6. And the rest is going to be the same. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 6's. So I have 4 times 6 plus, and we counted all these before, and it was 8. So that's 24 plus 8 is equal to 32 units. So right here for this guy, we're going to do the same thing. For C, we're going to change the area first. So that's 6 here and 6 here. So my area is equal to, I have 1, 2 6's plus 3 1's. So that's 12 plus 3, which equals 15 square units. Oop, off the page. For my perimeter, I'm going to do the same thing. This one here is going to be a 6. That one there is going to be a 6, 6, 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 6s plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 24 plus 8, which is 32 units.